and happy to see you all here, and I hope you all are fine with the God's grace. And Sweros, myself, this is K.Venela SuperStudents from Bhadradri Kottagudem district. Today, I want to teach you a small class in a special method called flipper class method. So, before starting our class, my friends introduce themselves.
Hi Sparrows, this is Gayashree from Palmancha, Bhadradri Kottagudem.
Hi Sparrows, this is Lakshmi Priya from Bhadradri Kottagudem.
Hi Sparrows, I am Triveni from Palmancha.
Hi Sparrows, my name is Nikita, I am from Bhadradri Kottagudem.
Okay friends, before starting our class, I am expecting a small, nice, energetic and entertaining exercises from you. Friends, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, please stand up. Performance Sparrows, please sit down.
Thank you.
Okay friends, let's start our class. Nikita, are you ready?
Yes, friend.
Okay, now let's start our class by a small conversation.
Friend, we want to do small conversation before starting our class.
Shall we, friend?
Why? Why so late? Okay friends, please start.
Hi Nikita, how are you?
Hi Gayashree, I am very glad to meet you.
Nikita, I think you are so busy. What are you doing here?
Yes, friend. Actually, there is a mathematical exhibition in my school. So, I am preparing some mathematical shapes.
Oh, is it? What type of shapes do you preparing?
Why not, Gayashree? I am preparing some closed figures formed by three-line segments.
Three-line segments? Means you are preparing triangles? Am I right?
Yes, exactly, Gayashree. You are right. I am preparing some triangles.
But friend, why can't we make polygons with four-line segments?
Why not, Gayashree? Who said to you? That's wrong. It's able to do polygons with four-line segments. It is called as a quadrilaterals.
Hi friends, how are you?
We are fine. What about you?
We are also fine. What are you discussing here?
We are discussing about some quadrilaterals.
Oh, quadrilaterals. I have some idea about quadrilaterals. Shall I tell?
Yes, exactly.
Quadrilaterals mean it is a polygon formed with four-line segments.
Oh, exactly.
And I saw many quadrilaterals in my surroundings with different shape and size.
Yes, exactly, Priya. A quadrilateral have classified into many types. We are seeing different types of quadrilaterals in our daily life.
But we know only some information about the types of quadrilaterals.
But we want some more information about types of quadrilaterals.
Where we gather this information?
Let's ask a friend.
Okay.
Friend,
Yes, Nikita.
actually, in our conversation, we are discussing about some quadrilaterals.
Yes.
But we want to know more information about the types of quadrilaterals.
Very good, friends. That is the way of intelligent students. Okay, I can say more about the types of quadrilaters.
Thank you, friend.
Okay, friends, in our surroundings, we observe different types of shapes by different types of size, shape, angles, etc. Some are formed by the angles, some are formed with line segments, some are as in curve shape, etc. Here, the simple close-up figures formed with line segments is called as the polygons. We already know about triangles. It is the polygon formed with 3 line segments. But most of the polygons we observe in our surroundings is formed with 4 line segments. The polygons are called as triangles. We already had some idea about quadrilaters. In our topic, we are going to discuss more about the quadrilaters and the properties of a quadrilaters, classification of a quadrilaters. Friends, I think you already understand what is my topic today.
Yes, friend.
Can you say what is our topic today?
Types of
Say
quadrilaterals.
loudly, what is our topic today?
Types of quadrilaterals.
Absolutely right. Today our topic is types of quadrilaters. Okay, friends, quadrilater. Quadrilater is the most important type of a polygon. Of course, in our surroundings, we find numerous figures which have scattered in the shape of the quadrilaters, like walls, board, charts, and etc. These are all in the figures formed with 4 line segments. The name quadrilater means quad means 4 and lateral means sides. It can set you as a 4 sides figure. So, the polygons formed with 4 line segments is called a quadrilater. Look on the screen, friends. Quadrilateral. A quadrilater is a 4-side polygon. Here we observe different types of polygons. Quadrilater. A closed figure bounded with 4 line segments is called a quadrilater. How many line segments, friends?
4 line segments.
A closed figure bounded by 4 line segments is called a quadrilater. So friends, look here. This is the quadrilater. Here we observe 4 sides of quadrilater. The quadrilater has 4 sides, and we also see 4 sides, 4 angles, 2 diagonals, and 4 vertices in a quadrilater. Friends, I think you already had some idea about the sides, angles, vertices, diagonals of a quadrilater. Friends, one by one, can anyone say what are the sides, angles, diagonals, vertices of a quadrilater?
Yes, friend.
Okay, take this.
In this quadrilater, there are 4 sides. They are side AB, side BC, side CD, and side A in this quadrilateral. And in this quadrilater, there are 4 vertices. They are A, B, C, and D.
And in this quadrilater, there are 4 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D in this quadrilateral. And in this quadrilateral, there are 2 diagonals. They are diagonal AC and diagonal BD are in this quadrilateral.
Exactly right, friends. You're correct. Okay, look here. Look at the slide. A quadrilateral ABCD has 4 vertices, namely A, B, C, and D. And in this quadrilateral, look again. There are 4 sides. Side AB, side BD, side CD, and side AC. Okay friends, and also in this quadrilateral we have four angles: angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. And in this quadrilateral there are two diagonals, namely AD and BC. Friends, okay, let us do a small activity. Are you ready?
Yes, friend.
Okay, discuss with each other and say where we use quadrilaters in our daily life. Take 1 minute and discuss with each other. Friends, are you ready?
Yes, friend.
Okay, I will give you some seats. So, write your examples where you find quadrilaters in our daily life in these sheets. Okay, friends, right now. Write fastly and clearly. Don't be tension, okay? Okay, friends, do you complete?
Yes, friend.
Nikita, do you read out which examples do you wrote?
Yes, friend. Face of a textbook, sweets, table, mat, etc.
Very good, Nikita. Gayasri, can you read which examples do you wrote?
Yes, friend. I wrote some examples for quadrilateral. They are sweets, table, diamond, kite, and face of a chalk piece box.
Absolutely right, Gayasri. And Lakshmi Priya, do you read which examples do you wrote?
Sure, friend. They are square board, charts, floor, chessboard, piece of a chalk, and etc.
Intelligent Lakshmi Priya. And Triveni, do you read out which examples do you wrote?
Okay, friend. Face of a microscope and face of a chalk piece box and mat, etc.
Very good, Triveni. So, friends, we successfully complete our activity. And let's see more examples about quadrilaters. In our surroundings, there is a lot of shapes formed with four line segments, and they are all called quadrilaters. But friends, one thing, if you compare to each other for all the shapes, we saw every shapes are different in its shape, size, and its angles. So, based on the shape, size, angles of a quadrilateral, they are classified into many types. Okay, friends. Now, let us see the types of a quadrilateral. Okay, this is a family tree of quadrilaters. This is family tree of a quadrilateral. The family tree of a family tree of a So, in a family tree of a quadrilateral, the quadrilateral classified into 6 types. Friends, can you see how many types are there here?
There are 6 types of quadrilaters.
What are the types of quadrilaters?
They are parallelogram, square, rhombus, rectangle, trapezium, and kite.
You're absolutely right, friends. So, a quadrilateral classified into 6 types. They are parallelogram, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, and kite. These 6 are the types of the quadrilaters. Okay, now let me discuss about the properties of a quadrilateral. The first type of a quadrilateral is parallelogram. Friends, look, this is a parallelogram. Here, friends, look, is this two sides intersecting at a point?
No.
Is this two sides intersecting at a point?
No, friends.
So, these two pairs of sides are called as the parallel sides. A quadrilateral having two pairs of parallel sides is called a parallelogram. Look, friends, look at the screen, please. Parallelogram, a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. about your views on the parallelogram.
Yes, sure, friend.
And one by one, please say the properties of a parallelogram.
Yes, friend. The first property of a parallelogram is, in this parallelogram, the two sides of opposite sides are parallel. They are AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD.
Very good. Lakshmi Priya, Gayasri, can you see the second property of a parallelogram?
Sure, friend. In this parallelogram, the second property of a parallelogram is opposite sides are equal. There, side AB is equal to side CD and side AD is equal to side BC.
Very good, Gayasri.
And the third property of a parallelogram is opposite angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle C and angle C equal to angle D.
Okay, friends.
The fourth property of a parallelogram. In this parallelogram, the diagonals are bisect each other. So here, the diagonals are AO is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD.
Very good, friends. I think you already had much of idea about parallelogram. So, okay, let me say briefly about parallelogram. The fifth property of a parallelogram is adjacent angles are supplementary. We already know about adjacent angles. Here, the two angles which share one common arm is called adjacent angles. So, these two adjacent angles are supplementary. Means these two angles sum is 180 degrees. Hence, here angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. And angle D plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees. And friends, a diagonal of a parallelogram can divide a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. So here, the diagonal AC can divide the parallelogram into two equal triangles. These two triangles are congruent with each other. Again, I will say, look at this slide, friends. Examples of parallelogram. Okay, let me discuss the examples of parallelogram. The examples of a parallelogram is, look friends, there is a floor. We saw different types of marbles which was in the examples for parallelogram, and that is also in our floor, in our houses, there are a lot of designs which is in the shape of a parallelogram. Again, properties of a parallelogram. The first property of a parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel. And the second property of a parallelogram is
Opposite sides are equal.
So, these two opposite sides are equal to each other. And the third property of a parallelogram is
Opposite angles are equal.
Angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. The fourth property of a parallelogram is adjacent angles are supplementary. The two adjacent angles sum is 180 degrees. And the fifth property of a parallelogram is diagonals bisect with each other. So, these two diagonals bisect with each other. And the sixth property of a parallelogram is a diagonal of a parallelogram can divide a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Do you understand, friend?
Yes, friend.
Okay, look here. The parallelogram, it formed a square. Okay, friend, do you understand?
Yes, friend.
Look at this puzzle. First, observe the face of the puzzle. What is its shape?
Square.
Square means it is a quadrilateral having all sides equal and all right angles. And we see the face of a chalk piece box, and this is also a square. It has all sides are equal and all right angles. So friends, square means, look at this slide please. Square. a quadrilateral that had 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Here we see there are 4 equal sides and 4 right angles in a square. Hence, it is called as a square. Let us see the examples for the square. The examples for a square is, look at the slide, friends. Examples of a square. Here, chessboard, in some watches, fossil, and dairy milk. Friends, do you like dairy milk chocolate?
Yes, friend.
Yes, it's so sweety, no?
I like it very much.
Oh, Nikita, do you like it very much?
Yes.
Okay, so here, these are all the examples for square. Okay, friends, now one by one, can anyone able to say the properties of a square?
Yes, friend.
Okay.
The first property of a square is all sides are equal. AB equal to BC and BC equal to CD and CD equal to DA.
Very good, Nikita.
And the second property of a square. In this square, each angle measures 90 degrees. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees.
Very good, Triveni.
And the third property of a square is, in this square, diagonals are equal. Their diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD.
Absolutely right, Priya.
The fourth property of a square. In this square, the diagonals are bisect each other. Here, OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. In this square.
Very good, Kayasri. So, they already say us about the properties of a square. Okay, let us say briefly explanation about the properties of a square. Friends, look here. In a square, the first property of a square is all sides are equal. Here, look at this slide, friends. Properties of a square. The first property of a square is all sides are equal. Hence, in this square, AB equal to BC, BC equal to CD, CD equal to DA. And the second property of a square is each angle measures 90 degrees. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, these are all equal and these are all measures 90 degrees. The third property of a square is diagonals bisect with each other. Hence, AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD. Okay, friends. And the fourth property of a square is diagonals are equal. AC equal to BD. Friends, did you understand?
Yes, friend.
And the fifth property of a square is the diagonals intersect at right angles. Means the diagonals AC and BD are perpendicular with each other. Okay, friends?
Okay, friend.
So, friends, do you like diamonds?
Yes, friends.
Why do you like diamonds?
It was so precious and it's so shiny.
Yes, friends, the diamonds are so shining and it's so precious. So, another type of a quadrilateral is rhombus. We can say the square formed a rhombus. Okay, friends, one by one, can anyone say what are the properties of a rhombus?
Sure, friend. The first property of a rhombus. In this rhombus, opposite sides are parallel with each other. Here, parallel sides are AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC in this rhombus.
Very good, chemistry. And can anyone say what is the second property of a rhombus?
Yes, friend. The second property of a rhombus is, in this rhombus, all sides are equal. They are AB is equal to CD and CD equal to BA.
Very good, Lakshmi Priya. And Triveni, can you say what is the third property of a rhombus?
Okay, Swaro. The third property of a rhombus. In this rhombus, the diagonals are bisect at right angles.
And Nikita, can you say what is fourth property of a rhombus?
Yes, friend. In this rhombus, the fourth property of a rhombus is diagonals bisect to each other. OA bisected to OC and BO bisected to OD.
Very good, friends. You're so smart. You said many examples and many properties for a rhombus. Okay, let us say again. Examples of, look at this slide. Examples of rhombus. The earrings in the shape of the rhombus.
Wow, it was
And
very nice.
look, that all are the example for rhombus. And stones, diamonds, star, etc. Okay, the properties of a rhombus. Friends, look, this the properties of a rhombus. The first property of a rhombus is opposite sides are parallel with each other. Hence, AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. And also, friends, the second property of a rhombus is all sides are equal. Here, these all sides are equal. AB equal to BC, BC equal to CD, and CD equal to DA. And the third property of a rhombus is the diagonals
bisect each other at right angles.
Yes, these two diagonals are perpendicular with each other. And the fourth property of a rhombus is the diagonals bisect the angles of a rhombus. So, here diagonal AC bisect angle A and angle C. Diagonal BC bisect angle B and angle D. So, we say that the rhombus is a parallelogram with all sides are equal and no right angles. Do you understand, friends?
Yes, friends.
So, we saw many examples for rhombus in our daily to daily lives.
Yes, friend.
Okay, Sri?
Friend.
Okay, can you say what is rectangle?
Rectangle means opposite sides are parallel with each other.
Very good. The rectangle means opposite sides are equal and all right angles. Do you know, friends, why I asked it for rectangle? Because the rectangle is also a type of parallelogram. So, a parallelogram having opposite sides are equal and all right angles is called a rectangle. Look at this slide, friends. Okay, rectangle means a rectangle is a parallelogram with opposite sides are parallel with each other and opposite sides are equal. All angles are right angles. Look at the slide, friends. Rectangle. Look at the slide once. Friends, can you read what is a rectangle?
A parallelogram with two sides of opposite sides are equal and four right angles is called rectangle.
A parallelogram with two pairs of opposite sides are equal and four right angles is called a rectangle. Let us see the examples for rectangle. Examples of rectangles. Book, TV screen, walls, door, window. These are all the examples for rectangle. Not only that, friends, in our daily to daily life, the board, charts, the screen of a monitor, the screen of TV, these are all in the shape of a rectangle. Let us discuss the properties of a rectangle. Friends, can anyone say what is the first property of a rectangle? Friends, shall I? Yes, Triveni, please.
The first property of a rectangle. In this rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are side AB is opposite to side CD, side AD is opposite to side BC.
Very good, Triveni. And the second property of a rectangle is, Nikita, and you explain.
Yes, friend, sure. The second property of a rectangle is each angle measures 90 degrees. Angle A equal to angle B, angle B equal to angle C, and angle B equal to angle D. And last one is angle D equal to angle A is equal to 90 degrees.
Very good, Nikita.
rectangle, the diagonals are equal. Here, the diagonals are diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD.
And the fourth property of a rhombus is, in this rhombus, diagonals are bisect with each other. Diagonal OA equal to diagonal OC and diagonal OB equal to diagonal OD.
Okay friends, you are absolutely right. But there is a small mistake. That is, we had another property for a rectangle. That is, the second property of rectangle is opposite sides are equal. Okay friends.
Okay, friends.
So, we had the rectangle as opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel with each other, all angles measures 90 degrees, and the diagonals bisect with each other. The diagonals are equal. Friends, okay, let me discuss the another type of a quadrilateral. We already discussed about parallelogram, rhombus, square and rectangle. Friends, I want to say you one thing. The parallelogram from square, the square from a rhombus, and the parallelogram is also make a rectangle. Do you understand, friends?
Yes, friends.
Okay. The another type of a quadrilateral is trapezium. Trapezium means a quadrilateral having at least one pair of parallel sides. Friends, we already know what is parallel sides.
Yes, friends.
What is the parallel sides?
Friend, can I?
Yes, Casey.
The two line segments which do not intersect at a common point is called parallel lines.
Brilliant answer, Casey. So, the trapezium is a quadrilateral that has one pair of parallel sides. Look at the screen, friends. Trapezium. Trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral that has one pair of parallel sides. Look, friends, this is a trapezium. Here we observe there is one pair of parallel sides. Can you say what is the parallel side here?
Side A. Side AB is parallel to side CD.
Very good, friends. Side AB is parallel to side CD. So here there is one pair of parallel sides. Hence, it is said to be as the trapezium. And look at this slide once again, friends. Examples of trapezium. We find numerous examples of trapezium in our daily life. Musical instrument. What is
Wow.
that?
Guitar.
Yes,
Wow.
that is also a shape of the trapezium. And locket, how nice, no friends?
Yes, friends.
The locket is a shape of the trapezium and wings of aeroplane.
Wow,
It is
so
also a shape
thorough.
of the trapezium and also handbag.
I like it
I like
very
it
much.
Yes, we like handbags. Some handbags are in the shape of trapezium. Okay, friends. Now, let us see the properties of a trapezium. The first property of a trapezium is one pair of parallel sides. One pair of opposite sides are
Parallel.
So here we see in this figure there is one pair of opposite sides are parallel with each other. Therefore, look at this slide. AB parallel to here AB parallel to DC. So this is the parallel sides in this trapezium. And the second property of a trapezium is two pairs of
adjacent angles are supplementary.
Very good, friends. Two pairs of adjacent angles are supplementary. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees and angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Hence, there is only the two properties for the trapezium. Once again we see the properties of the trapezium is one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Hence, AB is parallel to DC and the The second property of the trapezium is two pairs of adjacent angles are supplementary. So angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Do you understand, friends?
Yes, friend.
Okay, friends. Yes, Stacy.
Square and rhombus look like same shapes. All sides are equal. But what is the difference between square and rhombus?
Intelligent question, Casey. Yes, what is the difference between square and rhombus?
Yes, friend.
Okay, friends, look carefully. This is a rhombus and this is a square. So, the rhombus and the square has all sides are equal. But the square has all right angles. But there is no right angles in your rhombus. Do you clap for your dad, Casey?
Yes, friend.
Okay, friends, I want to ask you one thing. After few days, which vacation we are going to our houses?
Pongal holidays.
Yes, absolutely, Pongal holidays. What do you do in your Pongal holidays?
I will go to my grandmother's house.
How Nikita, do you go to your grandmother's house?
Yes.
And what can we do?
We are enjoying with our parents and family members.
Yes, we will enjoy with our parents, family members, etc.
And eat all its sweets. All.
Yes, we eat tasty food items. Anything special was there? Casey, can you say?
Yes, friend. By flying colorful kites.
Wow, I forgot
I
that.
forgot that. By flying kite is very funny game.
Yes, flying kite is a funny game to all us. So, the kite is also a type of quadrilateral. Look, friends, this is the kite. We will fly kites in our Pongal holidays. So, a kite is an example for quadrilateral. The quadrilateral having two pairs of adjacent sides are equal is called a kite. Look at the screen, friends. Kite. That is a kite. A quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal
is known as kite.
Yes, a quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal is called a kite. And the examples for kite is, wow, how nice, my friends.
Very
Yes, friend.
beautiful.
Wonderful. Excellent.
Yes,
Oh.
different kites. And the remaining examples of kite are many, and the diamond is also example for kite. So the kite has two pairs of adjacent angles, adjacent sides, supplementary, friends. And look at the properties of a kite. Two pairs of adjacent sides are equal, and one pair of opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect it perpendicularly. Do you understand, friends?
Yes, friend.
Okay. Properties of a kite. Two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. One pair of opposite angle is equal. Diagonal intersect each other at right angles. One of the diagonals bisect by the other. Do you understand, friends?
Yes, friend.
Okay, let us see some daily life examples for quadrilaters.
Sure, friends.
Look, puzzle. This is an example for quadrilaters. Stamp pad and chalk piece box, squares, dice. Here dice is also an example for cube. The face of the cube is square. And we see cell phone. Here in the cell phone we have rectangle shape. And look at this car. Here this car has windows by shape trapezium. So it has rectangle shaped glasses, matchbox. So these are all the lively examples with quadrilaters. Not only that, we can find several and numerous examples for quadrilaters in our daily lives. Friends, do you understand my lesson?
Yes, friend.
Okay, friends, please close your eyes. If you understand my lesson, please thumbs up. And if you don't understand my lesson, please thumbs down. Okay, now your opinion, please. Once open your eyes, friends.
Wow! Amazing!
Zing zing. So I hope you all understand my lesson very well. Hence, I will repeat once again, friends. Quadrilater. A quadrilater, 4 line segments and 4 sides. Look at the screen. Quadrilater has straight line segments and 4 sides. A quadrilater has all sides are equal, and the quadrilater has 4 sides, 4 angles. There are 6 types of quadrilaters. The 6 types of quadrilater are parallelogram, square, rhombus, trapezium, kite, rectangle. Okay, friends. Again, we saw different types of examples in our daily life which are in the shape of the quadrilater. So, quadrilaters also have the along of discovery, and quadrilater use as such many ways in our daily life. Okay, friends. Lastly, I conclude that there is a lot of examples for quadrilaters in our daily life. Hence, we saw different types of shape which are in the shape of quadrilaters. Okay, friends. Now, I like to thank our Secretary Sir, our Supreme Swero, for giving this golden opportunity to me. And we also thankful for our RCO Sir, Mr. M. Pullaya Garu, for giving this golden opportunity. And we also thankful